Thoughts Become Things is the title of my book, and it is the perfect blend of three important aspects in life. One is the spirituality, second is the science, and third is the practical approach. Spirituality to connect your higher self, science is what we are made of and what we believe in, and third is the practical approach which we use day in day out as a basic fundamental approach. But we need to implement, and we need to have these aspects into a right manner. That's what the book is about. Today in this competitive world, the people who are running after fame, money, success, however, they are losing their excess time, health, and peace of mind. And on the other hand, there are people who are pretty much in their comfort zone, but there are no goals and purpose in the life. So thoughts become things. It will help people to achieve success in the life, purpose in the life, along with health, wealth. And apparently there is a lot of happiness along with the abundance in all the spheres of life. That's the specialty of the book. My EMBA experience from SP Jain was truly amazing. Initially I thought, how would I take admission and how I can sacrifice my weekends and so on. It will be very hectic. But apparently it went completely opposite. I mean, I was actually waiting for the weekends to come. That was really fun. And the another part and aspect of SP Jain is they have the best administration support, as well as the faculties in SP Jain are truly amazing. I mean, they will enable your thought process into completely different level which you will never imagine. The batchmates, I mean, from various diversified sectors they are coming from, and then when we work on the project, there are people from supply chain, people from the sales, and then marketing. There are people from IT and HR background. So all these various diversified sectors help me, to have a holistic view for the projects. That's the specialty of SP Jain. EMBA from SP Jain is helping me to think in various aspects of operational decisions, strategic projects. I work as a supply chain operations manager, and while handling the projects, I am looking after the critical aspects of the projects. Like, one is the financial implications, another aspect is the business scenarios, third is the customer centricity, and fourth aspect is the cross-functional project management, which is becoming the key strength of mine. SP Jain brings the disruptive methods in the complete education system, which makes them unique. I mean, SP Jain is the first college in India which started the education system at the global level, and this is something which was missing in the past years. SP Jain has also started the programs at the ELO platform, which is completely amazing and fantastic. I mean, what can you expect more? I mean, this is something which is the only college which brings this kind of changes. Apart from that, I will tell you the faculties are so experienced, not only in terms of their work, but also in terms of their teaching experience. And I am truly blessed to have got learnings from these faculties, which are somewhere around average 30 to 40 years of experience they carry. The pre-booking is started on Amazon. Ebook is available in Amazon Kindle, Kobo, Google Play, and Script. And the distribution of this book is completely towards the worldwide distribution in Amazon, Barnes and Nobles, and Fishpond, and also the Ingram distribution. People can go and grab the copy immediately, and for more updates you can visit on my website, that is www.sushilinge.com. Thank you very much.